Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser for your ZTE Axon 30. So we'll need to open our Google Play Store. Right here find the app called Microsoft Edge. Select it and download it. When it's finished, open it. Here you can customize it by signing in to turn on synchronization. You can do it later. You can also set up for a data sharing preferences. I'm gonna disagree and proceed. Lastly, set Microsoft Edge as a default browser. And now finally we can start browsing. So let's open any website, and as you can see, it works perfectly. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.